Imagine pulling a phone out of your pocket, and instead of a normal camera bump or some RGB lights, you literally see lightning moving inside the phone. Not on the screen, not a wallpaper, actual lightning dancing under the glass. And when you touch the back of the device, the lightning follows your finger like you are controlling electricity itself. That is exactly what happened when Tecno revealed one of the wildest concept smartphones at the event Mobile World Congress 2026. The device is called the Tecno Pova Neon, and honestly, it feels less like a smartphone and more like a science experiment you can hold in your hand. Today we are breaking down what this insane concept phone is, how the lightning effect works, and whether something like this could ever become a real smartphone you can buy. And before we jump deeper into this crazy piece of tech, make sure you hit subscribe and drop a like, because we cover the most interesting and futuristic smartphones just like this one every week. So here's the thing. Most smartphones today look almost identical. A glass slab, some cameras, maybe a different finish on the back. But Tecno decided to do something completely different. Instead of normal LED lighting or RGB strips, the Pova Neon actually uses a sealed chamber filled with ionized inert gas on the back panel of the phone. That gas creates a glowing lightning effect that moves randomly inside the chamber. When someone touches the glass, the electric tendrils shift and follow the finger movement, almost like those plasma globes you might have seen in science museums. According to reports from the show floor, the effect is completely real and not just a visual animation, which makes it one of the most visually unique smartphone designs shown at the event. Now, the moment you see this phone in action, the first reaction is pure excitement. Imagine notifications appearing as lightning pulses across the back of your phone, or charging animations that look like energy flowing through the device. From a visual standpoint, it is one of the coolest smartphone ideas we have seen in years. And this is exactly why concept devices exist. They push the boundaries of design and show what might be possible in the future. But at the same time, there is a big difference between something that looks amazing at a tech show and something that can actually become a commercial product. Because here is the reality. The Pova Neon is still a concept device. The prototype shown at the event was connected to a large base module, likely supplying extra power and control hardware for the lightning chamber. That means the phone itself might not even contain all the electronics required to run this effect yet. Engineers still need to figure out things like power consumption, safety, durability, and how this technology would affect battery life or wireless charging. Another interesting thing about this design is that the lightning effect is purely visual. It does not improve performance, camera quality, or battery life. It is basically a piece of art built into the phone. Some people might say that makes it pointless. But if you look at the smartphone industry today, design and identity matter a lot. Just look at the popularity of phones with unique lighting systems or transparent backs. A design like this would instantly stand out in a market full of devices that all look the same. And the Lightning phone was not even the only concept Tecno showed at the event. The company also demonstrated experimental devices like a modular smartphone that can attach magnetic accessories such as cameras, microphones, or extra batteries. There was even a phone with an AI-powered color-changing back panel that can match the color of your clothes using the camera. In other words, Tecno used the event to show that smartphones can still be creative and fun instead of just releasing the same design every year. But the big question is whether the Lightning phone will ever reach the market. And honestly, the chances are probably low. The technology is complicated, it might be fragile, and it does not really add practical functionality to the phone. Many experts believe this device is more of a showcase of engineering creativity rather than a product planned for mass production. Still, even if this exact phone never launches, the ideas behind it could inspire future smartphone designs. Now think about the bigger picture for a moment. 10 years ago, we thought smartphones had already peaked. But now we have foldable displays, rollable screens, transparent designs, and experimental concepts like this Lightning-powered phone. The industry is clearly still searching for the next big breakthrough that will make smartphones exciting again. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more insane tech concepts, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel.